guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is one that I've wanted to make for such a long time. I wrote this down 2 months ago and I was like, oh, I'm gonna share my favorite products for Harmattan this year. Fam, I was waiting for the Harmattan, okay? Harmattan just took its time to get to us here in Lagos this year, and I don't know why. Because I know that when I left Abuja late November, Harmattan was already popping in that area. If you don't know what Harmattan is something that we get with the dry season here in Nigeria. In Nigeria here, we basically have 2 seasons, rainy season, dry season. Dry season, this time of the year, we get a lot of like dry wind, dry air from the Sahara. So the wind just comes down south. And what happens is, it's like this wind, what it does is it takes all the moisture away from everything, from your skin, the air, everything. The air is a lot drier, your skin is a lot drier. So this is the time of the year that if you're not careful, you're going to look like a walking chalk. And you don't want that. So I am going to be sharing with you guys my favorite products for hydrating this season and why I love them. Most of the products that I'm going to be showing you guys in this video, this is actually the only time of the year that I get to really enjoy them. You know, they're very hydrating, very moisturizing. Like the hydration that you get with these usually intense. It can feel really uncomfortable using these like the rest of the year because the weather is mostly always hot, but the mornings are cooler, evenings are cooler. So these, like I really enjoy them. So I'm going to start out with a lip balm. So my favorite lip balm to use, I've said this every single time that you guys have seen me talking about a lip balm on this channel, but because there are some new people following me, I am going to be adding this in this video, and it's the Maybelline Baby Lips, the blue one. This particular lip balm comes in different colors and all of that, but this is the one that I love. And the funny thing is, I got this as part of a PR package or a gift, I think 5 years ago, and you know, they just gave everybody different lip balms, and this was the one that I got in my bag, and I fell in love. Like every time I've gone to repurchase the baby lips, this is the one that I mostly always get. It's clear, there's no color payoff whatsoever, and this hydrates your lips. Sometimes if you have mild flakes on your lips, like if you use this like at least 3 times a day without exfoliating, it will get rid of those like flakes. Like that's how good this lip balm is. I love to use this before I use matte lip colors, but then I love it for Harmattan. Like I just apply this on my lips and they feel soft and luscious. They feel really good. Let me show you guys what it looks like. It looks like this. You guys can see that it is clear, no color payoff whatsoever. This lip balm is amazing. You can get this from any Maybelline store here in Lagos, the one in Surulere, the one in Ikeja City Mall, like anywhere that they sell Maybelline products, I'm sure that you can get this. If you live in the UK, US, this should not be a problem. You guys see Maybelline products everywhere, so try this. You can also get this from Amazon, I believe, if you can't get this in a store near you. The next 2 products are oils, okay? So I'm going to go with the first one. This is actually my second bottle of this. This is the Bolden Shea Oil with vitamin E, and this one is in sweet vanilla. I've used like a full bottle of this before, back in 2014, and I remember that this was when I was still in school in the UK, and I loved this during the winter. This is a new bottle. I haven't used much, but then one thing I love about this is just the way that it smells. This has an amazing smell. It is hydrating. I'm not going to say that this doesn't kind of sit on the skin. Work this into the skin, your skin is going to glow and you're going to have some sheen to your skin. But then again, this is not like, you know, coconut oil kind of thickness. This oil isn't that thick. One thing that I love about the scent that you get with this product, the vanilla scent, is that this is the type of vanilla that I love. When you use this, you smell like edible. You smell like something that somebody will want to eat. It's not that sickly, cloying vanilla scent that you get with some products. Sometimes when some things are vanilla scented or they smell like vanilla, guys, like they tend to be too much. This is the right type of vanilla. It says at the back what is traditionally used for brittle, damaged hair. You can use this on your hair as well. Dry skin, scars and stretch marks, aging skin. But I love this. I have like normal to dry skin from my neck downwards, and during the Harmattan period, it's worse. I said this in my last skincare routine video, but you can get Bolden products from MedPlus here in Nigeria. If you live in the States, check their website. You can also get this from Amazon, I believe. The big bottle sells for $17.50. I'm not sure how much it sells in Naira, but trust me, you're going to get this in MedPlus. I'm going to find out the price in Naira, and I'm going to put it in the description box. So the next oil on my list is from Arami, and I've gone through a big bottle of this before. This is a small gift sample size, and if you watched my last vlog, I got this in the GTB goodie bag that we got like at the end of that event. I was so happy when I opened that box and I saw this because like I no longer have like the bigger bottle. I know that this will last me this Harmattan, and this is also shea oil like the Bolden oil. And the thing about shea oil, the reason why I prefer it to coconut oil when it comes to moisturizing the skin is that Harmattan. Shea oil is a lot more lightweight. Like, you want something to hydrate, but then again, you don't want it to sit heavy on the skin. You want something that absorbs quickly, and shea oil is that oil if you're into oils. And another thing again that I love about it is that you tend to get a variety of scents. I've never used shea oil that smells bad. You know, depending on the brand that you get it from, they always smell really nice. So I love shea oil a lot. This one smells really good. The big bottle sells for 2,500. I don't think that this is available for purchase. This is something that they just probably made for that event. But I love this a lot, and you can buy this from anywhere that they sell Arami products. So check their website, check their Instagram. You should be able to get this. But when it comes to oils for Harmattan and for winter, these are the ones that I love. Arami is a Nigerian brand, so I'm not really sure where you can get their products outside of Nigeria. Okay, so the next product on my list is the Nivea Soft Moisturizing Lotion. I've talked about this so many times on this channel. You guys know the drill by now. I love this a lot. This is my go-to lotion for most of the year. I have normal to dry skin, like I told you guys, so I use this on my feet a lot, especially like when I'm wearing like open-toe shoes and stuff like that. If you use this, your toes are not going to look white. Irrespective of the fact that this is really moisturizing and hydrating, one thing I love about this, like the main thing that I actually love about this, is the fact that it doesn't sit heavy on the skin, and it also like absorbs really quickly into the skin. This is that one lotion or cream for me that I apply this all over. I know that I'm not going to look ashy, but I can walk out the door or wear my clothes immediately. I'm not waiting for it to absorb into the skin, and it's also really affordable. This sells for 1,100. I've been talking about this to you guys since last year, so well over a year now. So guys, I really love this, and it's not expensive at all. If you've not tried this yet, please try this if you have normal to dry skin. And lastly, one of my all-time favorite things about this is that it has a very crisp, clean scent. So it doesn't come with like, there's some creams that I just can't stand because of the way they smell. This is not one of it. And then the way that it smells makes it just really easy for guys to use it, girls to use it. So you don't have to be a girl to use this. Okay, so the last product on my list is a body butter, and this is shea butter. I'm going to get back to this in like a couple of seconds. You guys have seen me share a lot of shea butters on Instagram especially, and here on YouTube this year, and they're all amazing. This is not, because you guys might be surprised, and I'm sure that some of you are wondering why I have more shea oils in my list than I have butters. I've used so many amazing shea butters, and I'm going to give quick shout out to brands. Kaeme, a Ghanaian brand, does really good, amazing shea butters. Oil on my NG also does really good, amazing shea butters, and they smell amazing, the butters you get with these brands. However, I can't have all of them in my list. But then this one that I'm going to show you guys, I started using last week, and I'm absolutely in love. Like, it almost like touching this thing, it feels like something that you should put in your mouth. It doesn't feel like something you should put on your skin. And it smells absolutely amazing. I didn't buy this with my money. I always keep it real with you guys. I got this as part of a PR package. So with this package, there were a lot of things. There was black soap, body scrubs, and all of that. And there was another body butter actually, but this one caught my attention because of the name, okay? It's from Skin by Biko, and it's a Bougie Christmas Shimmer body butter. I've used all kinds of shea butters, okay? But I have not used shea butter with shimmer in it, okay? And just the idea of it, I was just really excited because I love shea butter for the Harmattan. And guys, when I put my hand in this, it literally dissolved. This thing is whipped to perfection. I'm going to give you guys a close-up, okay? This thing is whipped to perfection, okay? It is so freaking amazing, but then again, it has shimmer in it. This is the perfect thing, in my opinion, to use on the parts of your body that need moisture the most this season. Knees, elbows, feet, all those areas, toes, you know. But this will also look amazing on your shoulders. Like, just the idea of this, the way that I'm going to use it this Christmas, I cannot wait. It's not like shimmer that is obvious and you can see it from space, not that type of shimmer. But then even if you apply this on your hands and you're looking, you can see the shimmer, like little like flecks of it. And it can also, in my opinion, serve as a perfect base for like powder highlighter. So if you're one of those people like me that like to, like when you're wearing trads and ashebi and you like to have shimmer on your shoulders, you can apply this first and then use some powder highlighter to go over it. Oh my god, it's going to look amazing. I'm going to leave the price if I can find it because I don't know how much this sells for right now. Like I told you guys, I got this as a gift, but I'm going to leave the price and maybe a website or where you can get this from in the description box as well. So please don't let anyone catch you looking ashy or dry this season. I have done my part, okay? I hope you guys found this video helpful. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.